In today's video, let's learn how to make a group on Snapchat. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end without skipping any part. Now, there are a few things that you need to know before you create a group on Snapchat. Once you create a group on Snapchat, there is no option to delete it or to remove people from the group. Even if you are the creator of the group, you don't have the access of removing people or even deleting the group. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And now to create a group, just tap on the blue icon that you see on the bottom right. Once you're here, you can just select people that you want to add in the group. You can add up to 100 people in a particular group. Once you selected the people, you can just tap on chat with group and your group will be successfully created. Now whatever you send in this group, everyone will get a notification of it. But like I earlier said, there is no option to remove people from the group. If you come to the profile section and tap on the three dots, you can see there is no option of deleting the group or removing people. The best you can do is tap on leave group and leave the group for yourself. So that's all it takes to make a group on Snapchat. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.